fucking amazing. So, yet again, we're back with another dual reaction. Now, today's band of choice is The Machinist with The Sound of Shame. Now, for once, well, I'd say in the last like 7 videos, this is a band that I've actually heard of and listened to before. This is a female-fronted band that sounds heavy as fuck. Nice riffs, nice breakdowns, vocals are insane. So I already know you're in for a treat. This is going to be absolutely disgusting. But before I start the reaction, make sure you join the Facebook group. The link is in the description below. Click on it. We'll accept it as soon as we see it. We're not going to waste any more time. Over to Sam.
Hey guys, Sam from the Facebook group. Super stoked to be doing a dual reaction. Just want to say thank you to Aaron to opening this up for all of us. Definitely giving me something to do on this quarantine. Today we're going to be reacting to The Machinist, The Sound of Shame. Never heard of this band, so let's give it a listen. In 3, 2, 1.
The Sound of Shame. It's when you like when your mum says she's not mad, she's just disappointed.
Everything round from the ashes of shame. Until my ears can suffer my name. Suffer my name.
Yeah.
Okay.
No fucking about.
Oh, yeah.
A little bouncy number as well.
I'm loving her vocals.
Oh, ripped it on it.
Ooh. Yes, please.
I think I sound like a cow then. Oh, fucking guitars and drums are sick. Bass drop. I'm not sure if it's building up to like a big old breakdown.
Really enjoying this part.
Can I make it stop? Everything round from the ashes of shame.
Ooh. Sounds like it's about to be naughty.
My ears can't suffer my name. Shame. My ears can't suffer my name.
Yeah.
These guys always do some weird ass fucking videos.
That was The Machinist with Sound of Shame. It's female fronted. Can't tell if there was another vocalist though. I loved it. I need to find some more to listen by them. This came out April of last year, so a year ago. It's got 14,000 views. I'm definitely gonna have to check this band out some more. Every time I hear about a female-fronted metalcore band, I think of In This Moment, and I'm not a big fan. But this, I liked. Thank you, Aaron, for having me on. See you guys.
Just as expected, I knew it was going to be fast-paced, heavy as fuck. Barely a single clean in sight. There was that little bit of like a harmony a third way through it, but that's just about it. Females are killing it right now in heavy music. Some of the best screams are coming from female-fronted bands, and I'm so fucking happy about that, because it's about time that females were recognised in this genre, and in, well, across all of metal, just as good as men. Pretty much bouncing it all the way through it. The song sounded like one big giant fucking breakdown. Relentless as fuck. Did not let off the fucking gas pedal. Just kept on going. And I absolutely fucking loved it, as per. This is why I wanted to check out some more from this band. Because like I said, I've only a handful of songs, and I felt like it's probably one of them bands that I can really get into. Now, they haven't got like the most views on the songs, but if you want to check them out, I will leave the link to the original below. Make sure you go check out more of the tunes, because this is just one of many bangers that this band has. And you already even know, shit is 150% beer worthy. Cheers. Cheers.